To disable contextual menus of all apps when assistant menu is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Tap assistant menu. Tap select apps to show contextual menu suite. And then tap the blue on off switch next to all apps to disable or hide contextual menu of all support apps when assistant menu is on. By doing this, the assistant menu will only display items that you have added to it before in the assistant menu setting. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.